Hi, my name is Sean Mackey, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854. And I apologize for the computer moving a little bit. I'm on vacation, so I'm trying to do this from a hotel room overlooking Lake Michigan in Chicago. So currently I am a secondary special education instructional specialist for the Shawnee Mission School District. And what that means is I help middle and high school special ed teachers with resources, writing IEPs. I provide professional development to hopefully make things better for the students with special needs in our district. My future plans are to move up to a special ed coordinator, and my background is for about 12 years I was a department chair at one of the high schools in the district, and so I oversaw the teachers, paras, related service providers within my department in my building, making schedules, creating PD, carrying on meetings, those kinds of things. So, and I think that's kind of given me a good background for moving into a leadership position. As far as strengths and weaknesses related to school finance, I have helped with reports before, but other than that, I really don't know much about school finance other than Kansas isn't doing so well, so hopefully we can get a good plan in place. I'm really looking forward to working in this class and learning a lot more and hearing from some of you about your goals and what you're doing. So welcome to class, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.